Today we are going to visit arguably the most beautiful town in Finland, Porvoo. Porvoo is approximately 50 kilometers away from Helsinki. The track is almost like a straight line and the easiest track to cycle. Depending on your fitness, cycling to Porvoo may take 1 to 2 hours. As shown in this map, Porvoo is situated on the banks of river Porvoo. As we can see, there are 4 bridges across the river. We can enjoy the beauty of Porvoo from these bridges. The old town of Porvoo used to be the capital of the Eastern Uusimaa region. We can walk on the cobbled streets enjoying the old architecture and the buildings. Let us now take a hike on the hill across the river. Hopefully we can find better views. The hike was worth it. The most spectacular views of the town are from up here. Following the cobbled road which goes upwards, we can reach the Cathedral. Porvoo Cathedral is from the 14th century. This is frequently used as a wedding venue for the Finns. There used to be a big castle overlooking the Porvoo river, but now there is only the moat and these wooden bridges. There is an old train station within walking distance from the Porvoo old town. There is nothing much to see here, just few old wagons and an abandoned train station. Back at the town, I needed to find the harbor. I am taking this ferry jlruneberg to return to Helsinki. jlruneberg is a 100-year-old ferry but is well maintained. The ferry would cost us 29 euros one way and the bike ticket is extra 5 euros. There were many cyclists with me on this ride. During this ferry ride from Porvoo to Helsinki, we will go through the Finnish archipelago. Archipelago is just a cluster of islands, and the Finnish archipelago is arguably the largest one in the world. We could see boats, old and new, jet skis, speedboats and yachts going across the channel. This yacht has some otherworldly beauty in this landscape. Although the temperature was around 21 degrees, the wind was chilly and it was very cold. I just sat there in the top deck, enjoying the views as we glided across the archipelago. After 3 hours of ferry ride, we reached Helsinki. This big Viking Express cruise ship goes from Helsinki to Tallinn. The jlruneberg ferry is docked right next to the Suomenlinna ferry. Now it was time to collect my bike and ride home.